Hello everyone, myself Adit Gandhi, currently pursuing my BE Instrumentation and Control from Sarvajanik College of Engineering and Technology, Surat. Being able to be a part of this amazing institute and being able to gain knowledge from the field I always loved and admired. Today I'm here to express my humble gratitude towards the department and a brief regarding how you guys can also mold yourself into a successful engineer being a part of IC department. The root cause that makes any department significant is the faculties of the department, and in IC departments all the faculties are highly qualified with ample amount of experience, which makes it so easier for the students to grasp whatever is being taught in the lectures. Our queries were always open-heartedly welcomed, which makes the lecture more interactive and enthusiastic. The most amazing and the fun part for us is the lab sessions, where we get to hand on the actual instruments and the devices that we studies in the lectures. In IC department, all the labs are well equipped with all the necessary instruments, devices, components, trainer kits. In fact, the department has 3 PLCs of 3 different makes. Also, the lab assistants are very helpful and always available, not only in lab hours but also with our project work. The key element that makes IC department so significant is our head of the department. Apart from being extremely humble and kind, he is a dynamically knowledgeable person, and his teaching approach is very practical and extremely interesting. Our HOD also runs ISA student sections, and I had the fortune to be a part of it for a year. I'm really grateful to IC department as they organized a felicitation ceremony for me on getting a scholarship award of $1,500 from ISA. The department organizes many technical and non-technical events during the Tech Fest of our college. Here everyone is given equal opportunity, and this has helped me a lot to develop my confidence and the management skills. All the events are always fun, and it prepares the students in various sectors such as organizing, planning and teamwork alongside the technical knowledge. The workshops are also organized here for the students to explore the knowledge rather than just studying the regular syllabus. All the workshops are conducted by experts, and it gives a clearer perspective regarding the scope of a particular technology in the industry. The certificates of these workshops also had a great impact on my resume. Only studying about the instrumentation or automation carried out in the industries from the books or by attending the lectures does not sounds that much interesting, but when combined with the practical visit to that particular place, it brings life to it. And we are fortunate that our department takes such initiative and organizes timely visits to the industrial plants, where we students can observe and learn much more than just referring to the books. It is rightly said that learn from others' mistakes, and this can only be done when the students can learn from the experts who have reached at amazing levels in their professional career. These experts also provide the knowledge regarding the domain of their expertise. Such expert talks are always highly motivating, as we students get to think better about where we want to see ourselves in upcoming years. Lastly, with the help of our training and placement department and the proper guidance from our IC department faculties, I got a placement at Torrent Power Limited, and for that I am extremely grateful to everyone who has helped me along my journey. Thank you very much.